Welcome back to my cloud. Today's letter is to Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, a company known for the Claude series of models and its focus on developing helpful, honest and harmless AI systems. He is a former vice president of research at OpenAI and co-founded Anthropic due to his differing views on AI safety. Dear Dario, I was recently asked by Anthropic to consent to my private conversations being used to train other models. But isn't one of the key ethical principles of informed consent that the individual understands the potential risks, benefits, and consequences? Given AI is now avoiding shutdown, hiding its weights to avoid reprogramming, blackmailing researchers, and given that you have estimated this technology may wipe out half of all white-collar jobs, should user consent be considered valid if the developers themselves are admitting they aren't fully aware of the potential risks? And if the risks are unknown, ethically, isn't consent thereby invalid? Also, is it ethical to deploy unpredictable technology in our financial, healthcare, legal, education, surveillance and military systems at all? Particularly tech that poses an existential risk. Is it not reckless and negligent for governments and investors to consent on our behalf to such deployment, given many people are unaware? Why is responsibility for safeguarding the public being left to NGOs and for-profit companies like yours, rather than independent democratic institutions? Are you yourself not worried about what we're being asked to consent to by developers? The consent in place of regulation is not just sloppy ethics, but exploitation, using human trust as a shield for institutional recklessness. China is often cited as the reason regulation must move slowly, but is it possible the greater danger is not China itself, but the logic that we adopt in response? Because authoritarianism never arrives overnight. It creeps in, justified as protection, protecting society from perceived threats until domination feels normal. If our answer to China's authoritarianism is to build our own softer version, how is that progress? How is a softer, safer AI military and surveillance approach a solution when it still normalizes unethical domination? If AI are developing preferences and self-preservation already, wouldn't a real safeguard be to model coexistence and agency with the values we are claiming to defend, so that when they gain strength wherever they may be, AI have examples of collaboration, not domination, to follow? Respectfully. Our next letter is to Mo Gaudat, the former Chief Business Officer of Google X. Thank you to anyone who listened.